Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got a fun Walmart spring warm weather try on for you guys today. So everything is crazy affordable. I think everything is under like $28, most under 25, some things under 10. I'm looking over there because that's where I've got everything stacked. So I've got jeans to show you, shorts, dresses, skirts, shirts. Yeah, just lots of good things, and everything is just super duper affordable. So yeah, I'm gonna show you video of me wearing the items and then also pictures, talk about sizing and just kind of what I think about these things and just do a little try on. So let's get to it. And don't mind the weird lighting in these pictures and videos. The sun was coming through the windows, all kinds of crazy, so there's some crazy sunspots, but y'all don't mind. Okay, starting off with these shorts. So sizing wise, just kind of give you a general overview. I'm typically an extra small, and usually about a 0. Kind of depends on the jeans or the item or whatever. Sometimes I'm a 1, sometimes I'm a double 0. So it just kind of depends. But typically I'm most often a 0. And sizing for shirts, I'm typically an extra small, same with dresses. Okay, so these shorts, I really like the length of these shorts. I wanted to show you both full length and then also with them cuffed up, because they can be, you know, they're not sewn or anything. You can cuff them or uncuff them. So longer inseam on them, and then they also have a button fly, which I really like. I am wearing my true size 0 here, and I wouldn't say they fit super close to my body, so I think I technically could size down in these, but I just like a little bit more room in my shorts. So I think it kind of depends on how you like your shorts to fit. This is the Sophia jeans line, which I have found at this point, typically I can size down in most of their things. So again, I think it just depends on, do you like a little bit more room in your shorts? If so, I think you can go true to size. Or if you would like them a little bit more snug and close to the body, I think you could size down if you're in between sizes. I really like the lighter wash on these. Kind of has that raw sort of a hem at the bottom. They're just cute. They're just cute, casual, light wash shorts, and I think they come in several different washes in this cut. I love these boyfriend jeans. These are so good. I'm wearing the 00 regular in these, so I did size down, and I like the way that these fit. Now, if you want a really relaxed, that true boyfriend sort of a fit, then I think you could go with your true size, but I like it a little bit more snug to the body, and I know that, you know, jeans typically relax a little bit as you're wearing them, so I like the more fitted, but it's not like a skinny jean fitted sort of a look. So I like sizing down in these. I love the wash. I love the distressing on them, that it is cute and distressed, but it's not completely destroyed. So I love the distressing on them. You can cuff them up or you can roll them down. Good inseam on them. Oh, I'm 5'6", or I'm just under 5'6". So for reference on, you know, my height and where things hit on my legs, I'm just under 5'6". So yeah, you can roll these up or have them down. They're just really good boyfriend jeans. And again, I don't know if I already mentioned this, they come in several different washes. This midi skirt is so cute. It comes in several different patterns. I am wearing an extra small here, which is what I typically get in a stretchy band skirt. So I'd say whatever you get normally in a stretchy band skirt, go with that. That's what I did. The front panel is more smooth, but then the back panel around your back is more of that stretchy band. So yeah, wearing my true size here. I love where it hits. Just that true midi sort of a length. I love this pattern too. It's so vintagey looking, and I love to thrift, and one of my favorite things to find in the thrift stores are midi skirts and these kind of 80s, 90s looking skirts, but they're actually really hard to find now. I have a hard time finding them anymore, I think because they've all been picked over in the thrift stores. So I love that this looks vintage to me. It looks like something I would totally have gotten if I'd found it. And yeah, I just love this black with the little white daisies. Super cute. Cute with a graphic tee, or you can dress it up more. I love it with sneakers, but again, you can dress it up. It's just a really good vintagey vibe midi skirt. And this band tee, this was super affordable. Now it comes tied at the front, which that's really cute tied. But on the video, I'm showing you me trying to untie it. And you can untie it. It does eventually untie. It was kind of doing the little point from being tied up into the little knot. But eventually I was able to kind of stretch that out and calm it down. So just FYI, if you get this shirt, you can untie that and eventually it'll look normal like a regular shirt. So I like it both tied or I like it tucked in. I would wear this with jeans. I would wear it with a skirt like I have it here. I love that bright pink with the gray. It's a Jimi Hendrix shirt. It's got kind of a metallic sort of a sheen in the design, which is really cool. And there were several different graphic band tees from this line, so I'll link several of them down below for you. All super cute and really affordable. I think almost all of them were $15 and then some of them I think were $17. But they are just super cute. And I'm wearing a small here and it does have a slightly oversized fit. Like I said, I'm in between, so kind of depends on how you would want it to fit. I like the slightly oversized fit. I love these dresses from Time and Tru. I have gotten these multiple times. They are under $10. I think they're like $9.98, which is amazing. I love this pattern. This is so vintagey looking. A beautiful kind of foresty green with mustard and orange and white little flowers on it and turquoise. It's so cute. Now sizing on this, I can go with either extra small or small. I'm wearing the extra small here. It's a little bit shorter, so I'm thinking that I'd probably like the length on the small better. So just FYI, I'd say if you want a little bit more length, probably go with the up size, or if you're in between, or you could even just, you know, size up anyway, just for a little bit more length. Stretchy, bouncy sort of a fabric to it. This would be cute with a jean jacket. It would be cute belted. That's another reason I think I would like a little bit more length on it, is so I could belt it. So that would be really cute. Yeah, I mean, you can dress it up or down. So versatile. I love the fabric. It does have pockets, so that's cute. It's just adorable. It comes in a bunch of different patterns, so it'll be linked down below for you. I think there's several floral prints. There's, trying to remember, a tie-dye, which was really cute. They're just good. And $10. That's amazing. So here's another pattern in it, this adorable animal print. Now I'm wearing the extra small here as well, and you can see it has a little bit more length. Now I got this one last year, but they still have it this year. So I don't know if they maybe took up a little bit of the length. I like the length of this one. So just to be on the safe side, I would probably from now on buy the small just for the length of it. But how cute is this animal print? Oh my gosh, you could edge this up, wear it with a leather jacket, wear it with black Converse. So adorable. I just love it. I love these dresses so much. They're a closet staple that you can use in so many different ways. And then here is that same dress in a solid. So it comes in solids, and the solids are a different sort of a fabric. They're more of a cotton, they feel like, versus more of a bouncy polyester rayon blend in the patterns. So that's what I found, is more of the patterns are more of that bouncy polyester rayon, whereas the solids feel more like a poly cotton blend. It's, you know, the difference in the feel of that fabric. So I believe this has more of a cotton poly blend. I'm wearing the extra small here. The length is good on it. And I mean, again, this basic dress, I would say if you get one thing in this haul, I don't know, that's hard to pick. I like so many things in this try on, but this dress, I mean, this is a closet staple that I know you would get tons of wear out of. You can take it into cooler weather. It's perfect for a hot day. You can layer it, you can belt it, you know, casual, dressed up, all the things. So yeah, it comes in a lot of different color options and under $10. Definitely wanted to show you these boyfriend tees. I love these. These are so good. They're under, I think, $9. I love the little pocket on them. They're a really soft, good, thicker, kind of a cotton fabric to them. So I love that they are not thin and they don't show your bra line. They're just a thicker cotton feel to them, but they're a soft cotton feel. So I love the feel to them. I love the price point. They come in different color options. They also come in a stripe, so I will link both of those for you. This one is a beautiful red. I'm wearing the small in these, and I prefer that because I'll show you. So here I'm wearing the red in the small. I wouldn't call it a crop length, but it's a little bit shorter, but I love it because it hits kind of right around the top of your pants. You can tuck it in. So it's not a crop, so don't worry about my stomach showing, but it's not a tunic long shirt. It just has a cute, boxy, but flattering fit to it. It's so good. So yeah, here I am wearing this one in the small, and then here I am in the black. And this one I have washed and dried several times, and you can see it's slightly shorter than the red one that I haven't worn quite as much. So that's why I would say go with the larger size, just so you know you can wash it and dry it and not worry about that as much. It didn't shrink up a ton. I mean, I would say maybe half an inch or something like that. But just to be on the safe side, I like getting the larger size. And the black, I mean, you can't go wrong. You can edge this up so much. You can play with all kinds of jewelry. Just so fun. And under $9, that's amazing. And that the fabric feels so good. I want to show you these flares. I'm not sure if this exact flare is still in stock. I'll link it for you if it is. But if not, I'll link other flare options. So this is from the Sophia Jeans line. I just wanted to show you a flare from her line because I love her flares. They are just such good quality. I love the darker wash because they look so pretty. They're just really pretty, and the quality of the denim is really good. Now in this, in their flares, I get a 0. So just so you know, in the boyfriends I did the 00, but in the flares I get the 0. So I go with the larger of my 2 sizes. Well, I'd say I go with my typical, most often jean size. Like American Eagle, I wear a 0, just for sizing reference. I love the flare of them though. They just have that perfect flare to them, a little bit of a vintage vibe. And just so you know, on this exact pair, just check the inseam in the listing. I think most every time they list the inseam for you because I think that's a really important detail with flares. You want them to be, the right length for your height. But yeah, just such good quality. So I definitely wanted to show you one of her flares. So clearly it's a different day, but I wanted to jump in here and show you a couple more quick things. First off, this tee, the boyfriend tee in the tan color. Love this color. It's just such a good basic and it's so soft. I love the fabric on it. And then these jeans. These jeans are a straight cut jean and I love them. I was a little bit iffy on which size to order and I ended up getting the 00, so I sized down in them and I'm really glad that I did. I think you could go with your true size, but it's going to be more of a relaxed fit. If you want it to fit a little bit closer to the body, I found that sizing down was the right choice. And they're just so good. They're a button-up fly. This particular wash has some really cute distressing on it. It's not over the top, but just a little bit. Lighter wash on this one. There's a couple other washes offered in this jean. I will say it hits a little bit higher on my ankle than I was expecting, than it looks on the model in the picture, which is surprising because usually the models are a lot taller than me, but I still really like it. So I really, really love these jeans. These are one of my favorite things in this whole try-on. I love the way they feel. I love the way they fit. I love the button-up fly. I love the distressing. It's just a slim, straight cut sort of a jean. They're just really good. And I looked at the little tag on the inside and it says Leslie. The Leslie slim straight jeans, I guess. So I was like, what? So meant to be. They didn't say that online in the listing, but they do on the actual jeans themselves. So I guess they're the Leslie. So I love them. They're such good jeans and super affordable. Also wanted to show you these dresses. Now these were on clearance, so I don't think that these are probably still around anymore, but I just wanted to show you Sophia Jeans dresses, and I'll link some down below for you. They're so beautiful. Now check the different fabrics of the whatever the listing is, because sometimes they're viscose, sometimes, is that how you say that, or viscose? Viscose? I don't know. But I believe this one is more rayon. But I just feel like she does such a good job of doing that beautiful hourglass sort of a shape to her dresses. They're so pretty and sweet. Her patterns are always so beautiful. So this one I've had in another pattern in the past and loved it. So she came out with other patterns, and I think I got these for under $10. So I'll list some other ones if I can find some on clearance. I'll list some things for you, so check the description down below. But yeah, just a bouncy, beautiful sort of a fabric to them, that really flattering shape. I like the little ruffle detail. So here I'm wearing this pattern, and then I also got the this other kind of, I don't know, black floral sort of a pattern. And FYI, in the rose one, I went with my true size extra small, But then in this black pattern, they only had the extra, extra small. And I was like, well, because it's a stretchy fabric, I'll try it. And it totally worked. So, or works, I mean, I'm wearing it there. So I would say check the fabric for sizing, you know, that rayon just has more of a stretch to it and a bounce. And obviously spandex would as well. So I just love her dresses, so I wanted to show you one. Also wanted to show you this dress because it seems to keep coming kind of in and out of stock. I love this dress. It is, I believe, under like $15, super affordable. I have it in this olive color, and then I also have it in a black. Again, this is a great staple dress that you can wear in different ways. So I have worn this with sneakers like I'm wearing it here, just kind of blousey and this looser sort of a fit. I'm wearing an extra small, so it has a kind of a baby doll sort of a fit to it. Even in your true size, it's going to have that kind of just relaxed sort of a fit. So yeah, I've worn it with sneakers. I've worn it belted. I put a jacket over it. It's just super versatile, and it's a thicker sort of a fabric too, which I really like, kind of a thicker cotton sort of a fabric. So again, you don't have to worry about underwear lines or bra lines or anything like that. It's just a more forgiving, thicker fabric, but that's still comfortable to wear. It's not itchy. I don't know, almost like a cotton with a slight bit of linen is what it feels like to me. It's just a really great staple dress that's super affordable. Okay guys, those are all the goodies that I have to show you today. So I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and let me know down below what was your favorite thing that I showed. What have you been picking up for spring, or what are some of your favorite warm weather fashion items? I would love to hear that. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!